my name is Xiangmei Su. Welcome Dr. Yat-Sen Classical Chinese Garden. Also welcome my show, Intangible Thread. In this show, I present 16 my paintings and also my installations. The pinwheel is a typical toy I was played during childhood. So one paper, one wire, and one wheat straw could make a pinwheel. Holding a pinwheel, I was running in the field in my hometown Suzhou, and the pinwheel created a wind that blows me into a different spaces. For the painting, I have two series. One series talk about the weaving industry in China. Before, the traditional weaving is main industry in Suzhou, but now the modern high-tech industry become more and important than traditional weaving industry. The great migration is happening in Suzhou. Lots of people from countryside move to a city. My artwork is use only three colors: white, black, and red. And there is also lots of lines. So in this garden, we can see little different windows. This window is very traditional design for the Suzhou garden or Suzhou like traditional houses. We can always see this kind of style. So this is a very special space for me to create my artwork here. I feel a strong connection with this space. So in this particular time, in this particular place, I try to use my artwork to create a dialogue between Chinese and Canadian culture. I would like to invite you to see this exhibition in Dr. Yat-Sen Classical Chinese Garden. If you like to know more information about this show, please check the website Dr. Yat-Sen Classical Chinese Garden. Thank you.